Alright, we're doing the bike check today on my bike. Alright, so started off, we have a total Chandler frame right here. It was total, but it got all rusty and my cousin Keegan gave it to me, so I sprayed it and put a shadow sticker on it, fans and stuff. And then the seat clamps already built into the frame. So I've got mini rocker seat there. I know it's quite bad and stuff, but soon you see I've got, so yeah. I've got a Sabrosa Malum sprocket guard here, really good. I've got V2 two-piece cranks united here. I've got stock Mongoose pedals, pretty good but no grip, so I'm going to get some shadow pedals soon. Chain, I've got Shadow Conspiracy half link chain, red, with a little dose of silver there, very greasy. I've got a Rant female back hub, spokes and rim, Rant, yeah, it's females is like that. And I've got Demolition 110 PSI street tyres. Moving on to the forks, I've got Mongoose forks, really bad, but yeah. Got Mongoose front rim, really bad, but yeah. And then I've got the same 110 PSI street tyre Demolition on the front. I've got United United stem with the set top load headset. I've got United bars with Colt Vans grips, and that's my bike. I'll do a little test for you now. This is what it sounds like. Quite dark as well. The chain. So that concludes my bike check. Yeah. I have to say I really love my bike. Peace.